to derive certain important soil-water relationship. So let's try to proceed here. Let us start our lecture today. So soil-water relationship. Okay. First relationship that I need to prove is weight of solid is equal to total weight divided by 1 plus W, that is the water content. Small w is what? Small w is the water content here. Small w is my water content here. So I have to prove this relationship. Let's try to prove it. See, whenever it is asked about the weights, we will work on the right side of the phase diagram. On the right side we use weight, and on the left side we use the volumes. So this is my weight of solids. This is my weight of solids, that is Ws. Got my point? Now weight of or water content is equal to what? Weight of water divided by weight of solids. This implies weight of water I can write like this, that is water content into weight of solids. If I write like this, there is no problem? No problem. So here I can show it also, that weight of water is nothing but water content into weight of solids. So please remember this thing. You can always write weight of water like this on the phase diagram, that is water content into weight of solids. Now this much is my total weight here. This is my total weight. W is the weight of soil. Now what I can write? W is equal to what? Weight of water or weight of solids plus weight of water. This is the total weight of soil. Substituting this equation, now we know capital WW is equal to WWS. This implies what? Capital W is equal to WS into WWS. That is WS, take WS common, so you will get W by 1 plus small w. Small w I will show like this only. I will make a curl on this W, it means small w only. Okay. So this is how I can derive this. So you don't have to remember these relationships, just see how I am using the phase diagram. So this is proved. So today I will prove all the relationships here. So this is my first relationship that I have proved. Please see this. And now you have to do one thing. Now derive this relationship for me. Now please try to derive this relationship for me. Do it, my friends. Make it fast. Try to derive this relationship for me. Please derive it. Do it fast, please. Okay. Try to derive this now. Try to derive this now. Make it fast, please. Make it fast. I am waiting for answers. Okay. Okay, let's try to prove this. So E is the void ratio here. Now here we are talking about volume. So I need to work on the left side of the phase diagram. So this is my volume of solids, right? This is what? This is my volume of solids, Vs. Now see, we know what we know. Void ratio is equal to volume of voids by volume of solids. This I have defined yesterday. So volume of voids is simply EVS. So I can write volume of voids like this, right? That is EVS. This is my volume of voids. Just multiply Vs by E, you will get the volume of voids. Now this is my total volume of soil. Now total volume of soil will be equal to what? Vs, volume of solids plus volume of voids. That is, this implies now EVV is equal to what? EVS. So this implies what? V is equal to Vs into plus EVS. So this implies Vs is what? V upon 1 plus E. Proved. This is how I can prove this. Got it? V upon 1 plus E. This is how I can prove this. Now let's proceed towards the next relationship. This is proved, my dear friends. Not a problem now. Huh? Now let's see the next relationship. Porosity. Please see this. No problems here. You don't have to remember these relationships. Just see how I am using the phase diagram to derive these complex relationships. Try this one. N is the porosity here. N is what? N is porosity. You know what is porosity? N is my porosity here. Try to solve this now. Try and solve, please. Make it fast. Try to prove this. Make it fast. Let's see the proof. Let's see the proof now. I guess you have tried it. So N is what? Volume of voids by total volume. Total volume I can write like this. Na? Total volume of soil is nothing but volume of solids plus volume of voids. Just use this. Put it here. N is equal to what? Volume of voids by volume of solids plus volume of voids. Divide numerator and denominator with volume of solids. See, I know E is equal to what? Vv by Vs. So you are getting E in the numerator, E in the denominator. So N is equal to what? E upon 1 plus E. Proof. Very simple proof. Please see. Very simple proof. Okay, my dear friends. Very good. Prove this. ES is equal to WGS. Make it fast. Let us try this. Very interesting relationship. This I will prove. So this is the Sehwag formula. Very important formula. You have to remember this formula as well. So I know you have tried a lot, not able to prove it, not a problem. Very important formula. This is also known as Sehwag formula. This is how I remember this formula. Why I call it Sehwag formula? See, SEWG. SEWG. Sehwag formula. Like this, I remember this formula. Anyways, let's try to prove this formula now. I will introduce only the terms that I require here. Okay. Let us assume weight of solids as WS. So weight of water will be equal to how much? Weight of water will be simply equal to WWS. Weight of water is what? WWS. I can write like this. This is weight of water. WWS. Hai na? Water content is equal to what? Water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solid. This implies weight of water is equal to WWS. Similarly, volume of solids will become how much? That is Ws upon Gs gamma W. So if you want to go from right to left of the phase diagram, just divide it by unit weight. And this much weight will have how much volume? That is Ws Gs gamma W. Like gamma S is equal to what? Gs gamma W I can write like this. That is weight of solids by volume of solids. So volume of solid is simply weight by unit weight. That is Gs gamma W. I can write like this. So Gs is here now. Now simply void volume will be equal to how much? Volume of voids will be equal to how much? EVS. So E into Ws upon Gs gamma W. I can write like this now. VV is equal to EVS. So this is, I have written like this, that is EWS upon Gs gamma W. Now volume of water will be S into VV, that is SC into Ws upon Gs gamma W. This is how I can write volume of water. that is SC S into VV. Now volume of water will be equal to what? S into VV, because S is equal to volume of water by volume of voids. So that is SE WS upon GS gamma W. Now weight of water I can write from the volume of water as well. Now weight of water is equal to, see, simple proof, I can write it like this as well. That is SE WS upon GS gamma W into gamma W. I can write like this also. Weight of water can be written from volume also, that is volume of water into unit weight of water is nothing but the weight of water. So this implies weight of water is equal to either water content, either I can write like this, that is ESWS or SEWS upon GS gamma W into gamma W, or I can write like this also, that is water content into weight of solids. Weight of solids will eventually cancel here. Weight of solids will cancel here, gamma W will cancel here. So what you are getting? ES is equal to WGS. This implies I got what? ES is equal to WGS. See, I have proved this relationship. Please see this once. Please see this one. Then I will show you one more technique to prove this formula, and very important formula because many times question have been asked on this formula. So you have to remember this formula, very important formula. Okay, please note it down. Please see this, then I will proceed further. Okay, please see this. Any doubts in this statement? Let's see the next one, my dear friends. Let's see the next one. So I have an alternate way also to prove this statement. I have an alternate way also. See the alternate way out as well. This is the alternate way of proving this. How to prove this? See, instead of assuming weight of solids as WS, I can assume volume of solids to be 1. This was solid, water, air. See how I can prove this. I am assuming the volume of solids to be 1. Because it will eventually cancel out, like weight of solids have cancelled here. So volume of solid will also eventually cancel out. So this is my Vs, volume of solids. Okay. So Vs is equal to 1 assumed. I am assuming Vs to be 1. Now let's introduce all the terms. The volume of voids is EVS, so it will be E. Volume of water will be SE. Weight of solids is how much? If you want to go from left to right, just multiply by unit weight. Unit weight of solid is GS gamma W. So weight will be GS gamma W into 1, and weight of water is WGS gamma W, and I can write it like this also, that is SE gamma W. Gamma W cancels. So this implies weight of water is equal to SE gamma W is equal to WGS gamma W. Gamma W cancels. This implies Sehwag formula is here. So like this also I can prove by taking Vs is equal to 1. So if only ratios are given, you can always consider Vs is equal to 1 and proceed, because even if you assume it to be X or Vs, it will eventually cancel out. Hai na? Got my point? Now let's see the next proof. Very interesting and very simple. Try to prove this. These are all questions only we are doing today. So please try to prove this. Prove this please. I am waiting. No, compaction. We will not have compaction today. We will only derive the relationship. Okay. Here we will not discuss compaction today. That's very advanced topic. We are only focusing on basic foundational topics here. See, we have to prove gamma T here. So again, I will take volume of solids to be 1. Volume of voids will be E here. Very simple. See. Volume of water will be SE. Weight of solids will be GS gamma W, as simple as that. And weight of water will be either WGS gamma W, or I can write it as SC gamma W, one and the same thing. just from left to right you have to multiply by unit weight, that's it. Now gamma T is what, my dear friend? Gamma T is weight of gamma T is equal to what? Total weight of salt divided by total volume. Total weight is nothing but weight of solids plus weight of water upon total volume. So this implies gamma T is either use this W term, so GS gamma W1 plus W upon 1 plus E. Either I can write like this, or I can write like this also, that is use this SE term. So gamma W common, GS plus SE. So GS plus SE, S is the degree of saturation obviously, upon 1 plus E, and total volume is 1 plus E only. So this is how I can prove the relationship. You don't have to remember these relationships, just see how I am using the phase diagram, right? Any doubts till here? So from left to right, if you want to go on the phase diagram, just multiply by unit weights, that's it. Okay, fifth relationship we have proved successfully. Let's focus on the sixth one now. Sixth I have already written on the board. So gamma D is how much? See, again assuming volume of solids to be 1, volume of voids is E, weight of solid is G as gamma W. Now gamma D is what? Weight of solids divided by total volume, that is G as gamma W. So this implies gamma D is weight of solid is G as gamma W, total volume is 1 plus E. I have proved this as well. Very simple to prove. You can see sixth relationship we have proved. Now let's see the seventh one, my dear friend. See the seventh one. Please try to prove this as well. Please try to prove this relationship as well. Make it fast, please. Okay. Seventh and eighth together you prove, please. Do it, please. Seventh, eighth. Only 3 relationships are left. First prove this seventh and eighth. If it is done, tell me fast that it is proved. Okay. See, first proof I am showing you gamma submerged. We know gamma submerged is what? Gamma submerged is gamma sat minus gamma W. Yesterday I have shown it. Now at saturation, S is equal to 1. Okay. This implies just put S, we know gamma T, I have already shown you gamma T is what? GS plus SE gamma W upon 1 plus E. At saturation S is equal to 1, so gamma T will become gamma sat here. So gamma T is equal to GS plus SE gamma W upon 1 plus E. Now at saturation S is equal to 1, this implies gamma sat is equal to GS plus E gamma W upon 1 plus E. This implies my gamma submerged is gamma sat minus gamma W is equal to GS plus E gamma W upon 1 plus E minus gamma W. That is GS minus 1 upon 1 plus E gamma W. Got it? Please. Proved. Now from relationship 5 and 6 I can prove gamma D also from 5 and 6. Just compare relationship 5 and 6. 5 this one and 6 this one. I can prove the 7th relationship as well. So from gamma T, we know gamma T is equal to what? GS gamma W 1 plus W upon 1 plus E. I have proved it now only, and gamma D is equal to GS gamma W upon 1 plus E. So just divide it. So this implies gamma D is equal to gamma T upon 1 plus W. Proved. This is what I have proved here. Okay, please note it. 7th, 8th we have seen. Now see the 9th one. Please try to prove. This is a very interesting relationship. Take 5 minutes time. Try to prove this. I am waiting. Take your 5 minutes time. I am giving a hint also. Start with 1 minus Na. Na is what? Na is equal to percentage air what? That is volume of air divided by total one. Start from here and try to prove this. Please do it. Very interesting. Please, last relationship only. Let's try to prove this now with you. So 1 minus Na is equal to 1 minus Va by V, total volume V. Now we know total volume is equal to what? Volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of solids, because we want GS as well as water content here. It can come only with the help of volume of water and volume of solid. Substitute it here. This implies 1 minus Na is equal to Vw plus Vs upon total volume V. Now Vw I can write like this. Vw I can write like this. That is Vw is equal to weight of water by gamma W. That is water content into weight of solids by gamma W. And Vs is simply equal to Ws upon Gs gamma W. Substitute it here. So this implies my 1 minus Na will become equal to how much? That is WWS, water content have came here, plus Ws upon Gs gamma W upon में total volume V. Take Ws common. So weight of solids by total volume V into, take gamma W also common, my dear friend. Take gamma W also common. This will come out to be W plus 1 by Gs. I can write like this. See. Now Ws by V is equal to what? That is my gamma D. Gamma D is equal to weight of solids divided by total volume. I want gamma D only there. Substitute it here. So this implies 1 minus Na is equal to gamma D upon gamma W into, see, gamma D upon gamma W, Wgs plus 1. This implies gamma D is equal to 1 minus Na, very interesting relationship, upon 1 plus Wgs. Proved. Just you have to remember, you have to see how I am proving this. Don't have to remember the relationship, only one Sehwag formula you need to remember, that's it. Rest all the relationships are simple only, that is Es is equal to Wgs. Just remember that relationship, okay. Now one more thing you have to see, yesterday I have told you about zero air void state, you remember? We can saturate a salt sample using two ways, either apply water, or we can keep the water content constant and apply infinite compaction energy, thereby expelling all the air voids. That will also saturate the sample, and that state is known as zero air void state. And under that zero air void state, the gamma D zero air void will be how much? So if W is not changed and air void is reduced to 0, we get zero air void density, and gamma D zero air void is equal to Gs gamma W upon 1 plus Wg, where W is equal to constant and Na is equal to 0. So just substitute it here. W constant, Na equal to 0. So gamma D zero air void will come out to be Gs gamma W upon 1 plus Wgs. Okay. So this is known as zero air void density, that you will use in the compaction chapter as well. So this is my zero air void dry density. It is also known as theoretical maximum dry density of the salt sample. This is the maximum dry density that you can achieve at a given water content. Okay. And this is hypothetical, it can't happen in reality because you can never apply infinite compaction energy at a constant water content. Now let's do a question on these concepts and then I will wind it up. Let's do this question. Please attempt this question. Tell me the answer. I am giving you 5 minutes time. Please try to solve this question. Solve it. B, you are giving B as the answer. I also think B is the correct answer. Very good. Let's try to solve this together. Now let's try to solve this. One by one I will solve all. Okay. So here this is my diagram. See, phase diagram was already made for me here. है ना? Phase diagram was already made for me. Obviously soil is partially saturated here. This is my VS, volume of solids. Already done for me. Volume of water, volume of air, and this is my volume of voids. This is my weight of solids. Phase diagram is already made for me, and this is my weight of water. Let's try to solve this. Soil is partially saturated. S is equal to what, my dear friend? VW by VV. VW is 0.3, VV is 0.3 plus 0.2 into 100, answer will be in percentage. That is 0.3 by 0.5 into 100. That is 60%. Degree of saturation is done. Void ratio. E is equal to volume of voids by volume of solids. Volume of void is 0.2 plus 0.3 upon volume of solid is 0.5 into 100. Answer is 100%. So this is wrong. This is right. So answer will be B only. Like this only you can simply say, because in one question only, in one option only, 2 is not there. But I will prove everything. Water content is weight of water, weight of solids. 0.3 by 0.1, sorry 1 into 100, 30%. Now when this is also correct. Now gamma said when soil is saturated, this air will be occupied by water only. So at gamma saturation, what I can say, see, gamma sat I am solving here, fourth one. Gamma sat is nothing but volume of voids, that is weight of soil in the saturated condition, that is weight of solids plus weight of water will be VV gamma W. This is the weight of water when the soil is completely saturated, that is all air is occupied by water. So VV into gamma W, volume of water will be equal to VV and gamma W. Okay, divided by total volume. At saturation, VW is equal to VV. Now gamma sat is coming out to be how much? Weight of solid is 1. Total volume of void is 0.5 cc. Gamma W I will take as 1 gram per cc because everything is in gram and cc. Total volume is 0.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.1. That is 1.5 gram per cc. Gamma W I am taking as 1 gram per cc because everything was in gram per cc. So you should take gamma W in gram per cc. So last statement was also correct only. So like this you can calculate gamma sat. Very simple question on this concepts. Okay, my dear friends, tomorrow we will see borrow pit problems. There I will be applying these relationships in detail. So please revise this relationship and come tomorrow again. Tomorrow we will discuss these relationships in detail. So 1, 3 and 4, B is the correct answer. Please revise these notes and meet me tomorrow again. Hopefully you enjoyed this class. Bye-bye everybody. Take care. This is my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. In case you want any guidance or any support from me, you can always join with me on this channel. And this is the channel for our civil engineering team. Thank you everybody. Bye-bye. Take care. Jai.